A very good morning to all my students. Here is Kaushalya Raj Purohit, your English teacher, and now we are going to start a new chapter. So tell me, do you like to hear stories? Stories सुनना किस किसको पसंद है? Tell me fast. So this is a beautiful story. So have you heard about a person named Tenali Rama? There are a lot of stories about Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama was famous for his wittiness, or you can say for his wisdom, right? उनकी जो wittiness थी और उनकी जो wisdom थी, he was very intelligent and clever, right? And he used every time he used his common sense whenever he faced some problem. तो कुछ ना कुछ उसको problem face करना पड़ता था और वो अपने common sense से बच जाता था. So this is here. The Magic Vessels is also a beautiful story. उसमें कुछ ऐसा होता है कि Tenali Rama teaches lesson to the people or his neighbors. So how does he do it? And tell me, do you like picture stories? ऐसी story पसंद है जिनमें pictures है? Can you see the chapter? Have you opened it? Page number 62. It have a lot of pictures in it. कितने सारे pictures है, right? So I hope you like them, right? But before going to the chapter, as we all do, we are going to see the new words. So what are the new words? Let us discuss them. New words. Now the first word is harvest. What does harvest mean? Let me write it. Then we'll discuss. The time of the year for gathering crops. So ये साल का वो टाइम होता है. Harvest is that time. See, harvest. How will you read it? Harvest. The time of the year for gathering crops. It is the time when the crops are fully grown and now it is time to cut them, right? So that time it is called harvesting, or you can say harvest. तो वो साल का वो टाइम जब हमारे क्रॉप फुल्ली, जो फार्मर्स होते हैं उनके क्रॉप फुल्ली ग्रोन हो जाते हैं, and now it is time to cut them and to gather them. So this is the time it is called harvest, and the process is called harvesting, right? Now the second word is murmur, and I hope you all have done it. Whenever your teacher is teaching and when she writes on the board, what you start? You start to murmur. क्या करने लगते हो? Murmur करने लगते हो. That means saying something in low and soft voice. Saying something in low and soft voice. So what does murmur means? Murmur means जब हम कुछ बोलते हैं बहुत ही soft और low voice में, so that no one can hear us, that is called murmuring or murmur. Now the third one is uproar. What do you mean by uproar? Whenever you oppose something, जब आप किसी चीज को oppose करते हो, उसके खिलाफ बोलते हो, that is called uproar. A public expression of protest. Of protest. Protest का मतलब कि when you don't like anything, then you protest and you make some noise. See, uproar. See, and public expression means it is a story of a king. Or also, so there is a king, and you have seen the court of the king. There are so many people in it. And whenever a king do something or anyone in the court does good thing, then they support him. And if he is doing wrong, then they will uproar. मतलब कि वो उसको सपोर्ट नहीं करेंगे, उसका प्रोटेस्ट करेंगे. पब्लिक एक्सप्रेशन टू प्रोटेस्ट, किसी के खिलाफ बोलना. स्काउंड्रल. Scoundrel. What is scoundrel? One who cheats others. जो दूसरों को चीट करता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? Okay? So the cheater, you can say, the one who cheats. And the last one is absurd. What is absurd? Something that does not make sense. ऐसी चीज जिसका कोई सेंस ही नहीं है, ऐसी चीज जब हम बोलते हैं, that is called absurd. Okay? So I hope you have understood all the 5 words. First one is harvest, and please pronounce it properly. Harvest, the time of the year for gathering crops. ऐसा time year का जब crops gather करते हैं farmers. Murmur, saying something in the low and soft voice. Uproar, a public expression of protest. Scoundrel, one who cheats others, जो दूसरों को cheat करता है. And the absurd, something which do not have sense. So these are the 5 new words, and now we are going to start our story. So please take out the book, because they have provided us beautiful pictures. You can see, right? And you can read them. They have given us pictures, and they have told us, and they have shown us the conversation between the characters. So the main character of my story here is Tenali Rama and his wife. So let me tell you, I'll introduce you with the characters of our story. हमारी story में कौन कौन है? The first person is Tenali Rama. Tenali Rama. So he is the main character, and he is witty and wise. बहुत ही funny, you can say, and he is intelligent. And the second character is his wife. Now Tenali Rama has 2 daughters, and they have now grown older. They live in a small village. वो चारों मिलके एक साथ एक छोटे से घर में एक village में रहते हैं. Who? Tenali Rama, his wife, and his 2 daughters. Now we'll start our story. Okay? So these are the characters. Tenali Rama, his wife, and 2 daughters lived in a sleepy little village in Tamil Nadu. So the village was, where do Tenali Rama live? He lived in Tenali Rama lived in small village in Tamil Nadu. It was in Tamil Nadu. Now, do you know what is Tamil Nadu? पता है Tamil Nadu is one of the state of India. Where do you stay? You stay in Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is a state in India. Similarly, there is a state in south of India, that is Tamil Nadu. तो तमिल नाडु में एक छोटे से गांव में तेनाली रामा is to stay with his wife and 2 daughters. So Tenali Rama has 2 daughters. Now one day, what happens? Every story starts with it. One day. So what happened? We can see the conversation between Tenali Rama and his wife. दोनों बातें कर रहे हैं. What are they speaking? Let us see. Now, it's time we got our elder daughter married. Now, his elder daughter, जो उसकी बड़ी वाली daughter है, वो काफी बड़ी हो चुकी है, and he is discussing with his wife that अब time आ गया है that we should marry her. Let's fix a date. Soon after the harvest, we will have grains in the house and money to buy gifts. So what they are planning to fix the date for the elder daughter's marriage, and they plan to fix it after harvest. देखो हार्वेस्ट के बाद उनके पास पैसे कहाँ से आ जाएंगे? See, the farmers most of the time the occupation is farming. Their main occupation is farming, so they earn from that. So जब हार्वेस्ट होता है वो क्रॉप कलेक्ट करेंगे, then they will sell it in the market. They will have enough grain in their house too. जितना उनको चाहिए उतना grain they will keep it at home, and the other they will sell, right? और जब sell करेंगे they will have money. That's why what Tenali Rama is telling, that we will fix the date of the marriage after harvest, because we will have grains. हमारे पास enough food होगा, and we will even have money to buy gifts for the daughter. Now we'll see what his wife says. Good idea. We will be able to invite everyone to the wedding feast. Now can you tell me what is wedding feast? Wedding feast. जो शादी का खाना होता है, have you ever went to a marriage? कभी आप शादी में गए हो? The wedding feast is not normal food. There are so many types of foods, right? There are so many delicacies. बहुत अच्छे तरह के व्यंजन होते हैं शादी की feast में. So that is why it is called feast, right? So wedding feast is the food that is served during the, or you can say wedding party, or wedding feast has a delicious food or a large number of delicious items in it. So वो कहती है कि हम सबको बहुत अच्छा खाना भी खिला पाएंगे. We will serve them the best food they have ever eaten, and what she is saying, that we will serve them very good and tasty food in our daughter's marriage to all the guests. Okay, now what are here you can see the villagers, right? First of all, in the first scene, you can see that Tenali Rama is farming, and this is a small village. You can see a well, and there is a bull, okay, and there is a farmer. And in the second scene, you can see, so this helps us to imagine, you can imagine the story in your mind. Whenever you are studying literature, कभी भी इस कहानी सुनते हो, imagination is important. Got it? तो imagine करो. First scene क्या है? Tenali Rama and his wife in a room. They are discussing about their elder sister marriage. They have fixed the date after harvest. Now scene number 2. Scene 2 is villagers talking with themselves, right? वो 3 villagers हैं and they are talking. What they are talking? Let us see. The first villager speaks. Have you heard? Tenali has invited the famous singer for the wedding, and magicians and dancers, just like the king's entertainment and a grand feast. So they are discussing about the marriage, the Tenali Rama or the arrangements of the marriage. Tenali Rama की marriage, daughter का marriage का time आ चुका है, and they are discussing that he has called. देखो, some of them call musician, तो उन्होंने इसने बहुत सारे musician को बुलाया, अच्छे बड़े singers को बुलाया और बहुत बड़ी feast रखी है शादी में, जैसे कि कोई राजा रखता है. Someone is saying that he is arranging the marriage of his daughter like a king. He has everything. A week before the wedding, एक हफ्ते before, 1 week before the wedding. Scene number 2. What happens? Tenali, Tenali, we have invited the whole village for the wedding feast, but we don't have large cooking vessels. What will we do? Now there is a problem here, right? Now this is again Tenali Rama's room and in his house, and what his wife is saying, उसकी वाइफ क्या कह रही है कि हमको एक प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, हमने इतने लोगों को बुलाया है लेकिन इतने लोगों का खाने के लिए we need large vessels. We cannot use the small vessels, right? When will I cook? So she is saying that we have a problem. We don't have large vessels to feed all village. But at the time, the village was not that bigger. 500, 500,000 per person, you can say maximum in a village. So, but they needed big vessels, right? बड़े vessels तो चाहिए, but they didn't have. Now there is a problem. So let us see what does Tenali say. Dear wife, calm down. Let's ask our neighbors. They will help. तो तेनाली रामा क्या कहता है? Calm down, no need to panic. There is no need to panic. Let us ask for help to our neighbors. जो हमारे neighbors हैं, पड़ोसी हैं, हम उनसे help लेते हैं. It is okay because they love us and they will truly help us, right? So everyone liked Tenali, so help they did. Okay, तो सब लोग तेनाली रामा को पसंद करते थे, neighbors. So when he asked for the larger vessels, you can see in the next scene, everyone started giving them the big vessel he wanted. Now what happens? Brass pots, plates and tumblers, everything we need, and Tenali came home with all the vessels they needed. You can see in the scene, right? Now his wife is good. What did I tell you? Our neighbors are nice. So Tenali Rama, now his wife is happy, and he has brought all the vessel, all the brass vessel. Brass is a type of metal, एक type का metal है, and he had brought all the vessels they wanted to cook the feast. जो इतना सारा खाना उनको बनाना था, उनके लिए जो बर्तन vessels चाहिए थे, वो सारे Tenali Rama brought from his neighbors. And what he said, that I told you that our neighbors love us and they will surely help us. Okay, and they did it. Now what happens next? You can see the next scene. The wedding went off well. The neighbors kept the pot. Okay, so wedding went off well. और उसके बाद शादी हो गई और बहुत अच्छे से हो गई. It was done as they wanted, right? तो what was the starting of our story? Tenali Rama and his wife planned for the wedding of their daughter, and now they have completed their task. They have completed the wedding. Now what happens next? That will be see in our next video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and I will keep on teaching you, and we will keep on learning. Okay, so please attend all the videos. If you miss any of the earlier, please watch them so that you will have a continuity. And I hope you have liked the story. We will see what happens next to Tenali Rama. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.